This 2017 Dutchmen Voltage V3970 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Hamburg, Pennsylvania, 19526 and is offered for sale by Chesaco RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.